job. You gonna try using your fork now? Good boy. Good job, Noah. Whoa. Good job. Good job. Yeah? Good job. Good job. Good job. You're gonna use the fork again? Try the fork. Oh! Nice try. You got A for effort on that one, right? Good job. Okay, okay, okay. You don't like it when your hands are dirty, I know. There you go. There you go. Put it in your mouth now. Can you do it again? Okay, I think you're full. You're just playing now, aren't you? Back on the fork?
Oh.
Let's see you close up. Noah.
No.
Yeah, look at your face. You got spaghetti everywhere.
Ma.
Yeah, I'm recording you. Can you smile? No, you don't want to smile? Smile! Smile! Go cheese! Good boy! Cheese! Can you say cheese?